Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better.
Hey guys, welcome again to another episode of J Vlogs. Now today I want to talk about sex. This is kind of a rebuttal to the video that Erica made yesterday on her channel. The reason why I'm going to make a video about it because I find the topic interesting. Also, I think I have a lot to say on it. Now yesterday Erica was saying that kids should wait until they're mature enough to have sex. And she specifically, gave an age range in which it is acceptable to have sex, and then she stated that when a female hold off on sex, guys respect them more. I do agree with that, and I agree with the fact that you aren't mature enough to have sex at a tender age. You're 14, 15, 16. You're not, I don't think you're quite ready to have sex. Like many of us have had sex or lost our virginity, especially males lost their virginity at a tender age of like 12 for myself, 13, 14, and I think we weren't prepared, we weren't fully educated on STDs, HIV, getting a female pregnant. But the culture has a lot to do with exposing kids to sex, and the Jamaican culture, dancehall, we're an open culture, open to sexual activities and stuff like that. Now, the gripe that I have with Erica video is that when she stated that females, when they hold out, just that hold out part of it, that wait until marriage to have sex. Like for me personally, I don't agree with that, because a lot of people are not genuine and a lot of females are not genuine. No offense to female, but the reason why I say is a lot of females date men, they're not honest to them. They date them for material gain. They want to get married to that man so they can actually get what he have. I think that is unfair, and I think it is hard to be with somebody for so many years and not have sex with them. Yes, you can build a relationship without sex, but I think sex is a vital part of the relationship. It helps to, let the bond be stronger. It brings excitement into the bedroom. You are quenching the imagination of making love to your partner, being connected to them on an intellectual and a physical level. So where sex is concerned, I'm in agreement for sex. I am for sex in a relationship. Yes, you can let a man wait like a 6 months or a 7 months, but 3, 4, 5 years before you have sex with your partner. Come on, be real. This is 2016. I don't think it is right for a woman to hold out on a man for a year, 2 years, 3 years. What you expect the man to do? Especially if the man is not a virgin. Worse if you're not a virgin. You cannot hold out on the man so long. After you have already tested the water, he has tested the water. So why are you holding out? Listen, females, the thought, the fact that you believe holding out on a man will encourage him to marry you, that's not the reason why the man is marrying you because of sex. He's marrying you because of your personality and what you have to bring to the table, how you make him feel, what the relationship is like, how you treat him, the type of support that you give him. You have to take all those things into consideration. So if you base this thing mainly on sex and holding out sex from the man, I think it's very dangerous for you. No matter what you do, if a man decides to leave, he's going to leave. If a man decides to cheat, he's going to cheat. There's nothing you can do. So for you to say that you're holding out because he's going to respect you and all that, no fam, not necessarily. You have to earn that man respect. You have to treat that man like a man. So if you're going to hold out, probably he's going to cheat on you. And it's just the reality. He is going to cheat on you because he knows what sex is like. Probably has been with many women before, but choose you because you're special to him, and then you're not going to please him the way how he wants to be pleased and want to have a bond with you. I don't think it is fair to hold out on a man. But kids, I want to say to kids out there, wait until you're 18, 19, even 20 to have sex. Just wait. Wait if you can wait. If you can't wait, protect yourself. I'm not going to sit here and say to you, oh, don't have sex and blah blah blah. If you're already having sex, there's lots of kids out there having sex, and I'm not in agreement with that, but things happen. But if you're going to have sex, ensure that you protect yourself. Ensure that you use a condom. Take contraceptive. If you didn't use a condom, ensure that you have the morning after pills and stuff like that. Protect yourself. But females that are of age, in your 20s and stuff like that, and you're in a relationship with a guy, don't hold out on a guy too long. This might save your relationship from actually ending. Don't hold out on a guy too long. Please your man, is your man. If you're not going to please him, our next woman is going to please him. And that's just the truth. If you hold out on a man too long, he just might give somebody else the goods. Trust me. So, thanks for watching J-Vlogs again, guys. I hope you like my content. Also, if you like my content, if you're on the channel, subscribe please. Let the subscribe support me. The channel has plateaued. It's kind of stagnant. I don't know why. I'm not getting any feedback from anyone, but I'm just trying to be creative and trying to, talk about interesting things. Hopefully I'll get you people, riled up, and probably I'll do something controversial, who knows, to get your minds, flowing a bit. But thanks again for watching J-Vlogs. Mar Plunky, guys. I'm out. Bye bye.
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not understanding this logic.